Hey guys, imagine a customer has placed an order and he or she has just completed by adding the card details and placing the order. And you show them the exactly what they actually need um, after the order is completed. So you can see the customer, for example, bought a skateboard and you showed them the ski wax. So it is related to the product that the customer actually bought, and you show them the offer for, you can see the discount offer that expires in 5 minutes. And after accepting the offer, the customer don't have to actually pay add the card details. This upsell is one click. So you can see it is very smooth experience without any hassle. So let me show you how we can create this in the Shopify. For example, you have the Shopify store and you need to create the similar one click upsell offer. You need to install this AfterSell post purchase upsell app, and here you can see the price plans. And once you install the app, you will be able to see this dashboard. So you can start a funnel from scratch, post purchase funnel, and you can show to all of the customers, or you can select based upon the product purchased, quantity tag, product type, product collection, meta field, any kind of, you can create any kind of funnel right from here. So you can also select the customer attributes, order details, UTM parameter. So you can see the power right here. So for now, I will just select this funnel for all of the customers, and I'll go and save and next. And here I will just set up the first offer. I will select a single product upsell, and I will select a specific product. You can also choose the automatic, and here I will choose this product, and I can edit the offer as well. You can see the timer here. I can change the time, color, and all of the text. And similarly, I can select the product. I can change the product right from here. So I can select the one-time product or the subscription-based product right from here. And similarly, I can customize the discount. I can also change any kind of details right from here. You can see the power that this app is giving. So you can control the text, layout, and everything is under your control. And once the offer is created, you can save. Here you can see once the offer is declined, you can show them the next offer right here with the more discount. And if the offer is accepted, you can show some more. You can create the funnel based upon your store. So here on the thank you page, you need to activate the funnel, and on the extensions page, you need to enable the product recommendations like this, and go back to the funnel and product recommendations. You need to place the widget on the thank you and the order status page. So here I have selected place widget, and I'm redirected to the checkout customizer. Here on the thank you page, I will show the product recommendations widget and save. And similarly on the order status page, I will add the recommendations widget and save. And I'll go back to the previous tab and save and finish. Okay, and one action is needed. We need to enable the post purchase page into the checkout settings. Go to enable settings button. Here you can see in the checkout, you land directly right here on the post purchase page. You can select AfterSell and save. Go back to the previous tab and refresh. Okay, now the funnel is created, and you have enabled the post purchase page and also added the recommendation widgets on the checkout, and the funnel is enabled. And now let's test this on the, now add to cart. I will directly buy it, and from here I'll just add the information to place the order. So this is my test store. I'm using the test payment method, and you can see after I have placed the order, I'm able to see this offer. So I can see all of the detail. I can select the variants right from here, and if I select pay now, within one click, this product will be added to my cart without me needing to add the information, payment information again. So this is a very smooth workflow. So it can help you increase your average order value if you use it strategically. I hope you like this video. If you need any of my help regarding this setup, you can message me, and you can use the following link to install the app. Thank you.